Hey guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix can't get mail app error in Windows. So let's go, but before we start, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all the upcoming videos. Let's dive in. So this error encountered by users when using the mail app on Windows system, and this may occur for a number of reasons, like including network connection issues, app settings, or corrupt app data. So let's try these methods to fix this problem. The first method is that we need to restart the app, and we can do so by right-click on your account in the left sidebar inside the app. Then select Account Settings and choose Delete Account from the device. It should look like that. After clicking on the Delete, restart the Mail app. And then go to Settings in your Windows by clicking on the Start menu and click on the gear-shaped icon, which is Settings, and then click on Accounts, and then Email and Accounts. And all you need to do now is to click on Add an Account and choose where you want to sign in this window. Maybe your Yahoo or Google or iCloud, on anything. And that was the first method. The second method, we need to check date and time in settings. So inside settings, just type date and time and click on it and turn off set time automatically. It might help to fix your problem. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all the upcoming videos. And goodbye.